Hey everyone! Are you really getting the most out of your monitor? Today, we're breaking down VGA, DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort so you never pick the wrong display cable again. VGA, Video Graphics Array, introduced in 1987, is an analog-only display interface primarily used to connect older computers to legacy monitors and projectors via a standard 15-pin D15 connector or historical mini VGA on older laptops. Because it carries purely analog video without audio support, sound requires a separate 3.5mm AUX cable, and its performance drops noticeably over distances beyond 5 to 10 meters due to signal noise and ghosting. While it can technically reach a maximum resolution of 1080p, 1920 by 1080, at 60 Hz, the display clarity remains soft, making it best suited today for basic office work, educational displays, or emergency troubleshooting on legacy equipment. Introduced in 1999 to bridge analog and digital display technologies, DVI, Digital Visual Interface, is a video-only connection standard available in analog, DVI-A, digital, DVI-D, and dual-mode, DVI-I, formats, though it typically lacks audio support unless using rare, proprietary GPU adapters. Utilizing either single-link or higher bandwidth dual-link connectors, it operates best within a 5-meter range to maintain digital clarity, with dual-link achieving up to 2560 by 1600 at 60 Hz or 1080p at 144 Hz. This high refresh rate capability makes DVI ideal for legacy PC gaming setups and older 144 Hz gaming monitors that lack modern HDMI or DisplayPort inputs. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface, is the digital universal consumer standard for TVs, laptops, gaming consoles, and monitors, seamlessly transferring both high-definition video and uncompressed multi-channel audio like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X over a single connection. Available in standard, Type A, Mini, Type C, and Micro, Type D, connector sizes, it supports reliable transmissions up to 10 meters over standard copper cables and beyond 30 meters with fiber optic HDMI. Its performance evolves across generations, ranging from HDMI 1.4, 1080p at 120 Hz/4K at 30 Hz, and HDMI 2.0, 4K at 60 Hz, to HDMI 2.1, which delivers 4K at 120 Hz or 8K at 60 Hz. Making it the ideal choice for home theaters, modern console gaming, 4K media consumption, and general workspace displays. DisplayPort, DP, is the definitive digital standard for modern PC hardware, high-end graphics cards, and gaming monitors, transferring ultra-high bandwidth video along with high-resolution audio over standard or mini DisplayPort connectors. While its full performance is optimized within a 3-meter cable distance, its capability scales across versions, from DP 1.2, 4K at 60 Hz/1080p at 240 Hz, and DP 1.4, 4K at 144 Hz with HDR, up to DP 2.1, which drives 8K at 120 Hz and extreme multi-monitor setups. Packed with native support for NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync to eliminate screen tearing, DisplayPort is best suited for professional PC gamers, competitive high refresh rate setups, and color-accurate video editing suites. Among modern display interfaces, DisplayPort stands out by supporting multi-stream transport, MST, which enables daisy-chaining multiple monitors together using a single initial connection from the graphics card. Physical connection styles also vary significantly across standards. VGA and DVI rely on threaded thumbscrews. DisplayPort uses a mechanical push-button locking latch to prevent accidental slips, and HDMI depends entirely on a friction fit. Looking toward the future of display technology, USB Type-C and Thunderbolt leverage DisplayPort Alt mode to stream high-bandwidth video, audio, power, and data simultaneously through one universal cable, rapidly phasing out legacy video ports.